Okay, so, come to spawn, Malachi!
Did you see me?
No. Look! Did you see how much anvils I spawned?
I flew a mile away until I broke the gate.
No! Yes! I'm on the train! No! No! I was abandoned. Wait, yes, I have the anvil spawner. Oh my gosh, No. I safely landed in. No, stop. No, but you can hold this. Okay, I'll spawn more anvils. I'll make a trail of anvils. I almost just fell out of the train. Okay, be quiet. I'm just spawning more anvils until I lose my sanity. No. Did you see the the trail of anvils I left? Wait, did you buy the anvil spawner? Look at all the anvils. Easy. This game is so easy. Quite heavy. Good for using as a weight to trap people in a glass box. What the heck? I think we get coins. Stop. Dude, you just spawning more anvils. I need another anvil. Oh, come on, I couldn't land the anvil. What is going on? I'm just losing my... I almost just... Dude! Welp, I need another anvil. Sure! Yes. I have the best idea ever. To completely lose my sanity.
Okay, now the train will never stop.
I have the best idea to stop a train. Look. What did I just do? What did I just... Ah! Come here, anvil. I am slowly starting to think you're an anvil. Yeah, I'm losing my sanity, okay? Hi! Look at me! Look at me! What is going on? No! No! I'm gonna fall out of the train! Oh my gosh, I'm horrible. Dude, I'm terrified of heights! Help! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh. No! Well, I'm gonna have to use another anvil.
Slow progress. Justin, you have a weird train.
What? I'm spawning more anvils. Ah! Well, I need to spawn another anvil. Come here! Hey! No! 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 Ah! My anvils failed me. No! Oh! I'm in the train! No! Oh my gosh! Yo! No! Well, time to spawn another anvil. No! No, we're still playing this. Yes! Yes! I'm recording. Ah! Dude, I'm recording though. I saw that. Oh my gosh, I'm on the train! I'm on the train! I got on the train! Dude, I'm literally on the train I'm literally on the train all thanks to my trusty anvils. I'm literally on the train all thanks to my trusty anvil. Oh my gosh. How'd you get that? It's gonna be stuck because of the anvils. I like how much we could just glitch the train. Ah! No! No! Well, time to spawn in another anvil. Who will win? Train or anvil? Well, anvil won. What is going on? I'm spawning more anvils. Get on! Get on the train! No! Dude! Now I have to spawn another anvil. No! Hey! Give me... I can only use anvil. We both go coffee. Oh, I'm on the train. I'm on the train of anvils. Many anvils later. Oh, come on! I just glitched.